Tara na! Tikman na! Isa sa mga espesyal na potahe ng Santo Tomas, Batangas ay ang bulalo. Isang masarap at nakakaligayang sabaw na gawa sa shank ng baka at bone marrow. Ang bulalo ay kilala sa malasa nitong sabaw at malambot na karne na nagbibigay ng kakaibang kasiyahan sa bawat kagat. Ang bulalo ay karaniwang niluluto sa pamamagitan ng pagpapakulo ng shank ng baka at bone marrow sa mahabang oras. Kaya't natutunaw ang collagen at taba sa sabaw na nagiging malinaw at malasa.
Welcome to Rose and Grace Restaurant.
Like Batangas, talaga ang na-menu dito ay bulalo talaga sa Batangas. So yung may-ari nito ay yun talaga una nilang gawin talagang bulalo. Sila talaga yung original. Sila yung original na nagkaroon ng bulalo dito sa Santo Tomas. Tapos lahat ng mga travelers, yan, lahat magdadrop by dito because of bulalo. Tsaka all our food we serve all from native, puro native ang aming mga food. But bulalo talaga is #1 our specialty. Yun talaga dinadayo dito. Ito kasi amin is original talaga. Like the other, di ba, may nilalagay silang ibang mga CDs. Kami talaga is original. Yung talaga pang native lang na bulalo. Siyempre, talagang nagbigay ng sa aming customer. Yung talagang originality niya. Yung talagang originality niya.
So it's actually similar to brisket in Hong Kong, which is called ao lam, and the soup kind of tastes like it. But then in Hong Kong, the soup looks more darker. Maybe they all add soy sauce or something. And this is more clean, and then it has more flavor of the vegetables and something. So I like it overall.
So I tried the bone marrow. They come with a whole stick of bone, and I thought that was very bland. It was really tasty. So the thing is, yes, as you said, it's the brisket, but some parts of it are a lot more tender. Some parts of it are a little more clean, so you can enjoy a lot of textures. And I had the bone marrow. This is the first time I've had it, and it's one of the creamiest thing I've ever tried. It's very flavorful and it keeps spreading until the very end.
And I like how they have this sauce as well, so I can dip the brisket on here. And also, like, because it's come with a big bowl, so everyone can share it and then cut it in a little bowl. So I think it's suitable for families.
Tunay ngang yaman ng Batangas ang bulalo. Sabaw na tiyak na hahanap-hanapin at linamnam na tunay na kay sarap lasapin. Kaya't ano pang ginagawa mo riyan? Tara na, bulalo ay tikmin na!